In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create Snapchat public profile. That's easy to do. I will show you how you can create that yourself. So you can grow your Snapchat public profile, and you can get a lot of view like 23k and 23k over 100k over views. So it's kind of interesting. So it's better than, I would say, any short form content. So let's deep dive into video. So I'm hoping you are keeping attention in this video. So it's my thing, so I'm hoping you keeping attention in this video. So let's get started. So go your Snapchat apps, and here is a main option, left above option, so you can see, and click on there. And so here my public profile is curated, so you need to create yourself for you. So when you create Snapchat account, that's your account, but that's not your public profile. So this main option, you can see that right left above option, main option. So click on there, and here you can find public profile option. If you are not selected countries people, its public profile is just available selected country, that is specific country that choose Snapchat Snapchat team. So you need to do just, if you are not those specific countries people, you need to use VPN instead of that. So when you use that, you got public profile option, you just create here. It's easy to do. I am hoping you will that yourself. You will got the, you will create that's yourself. So I would say today's just I'm showing you how you can publish video and getting a lot of views. So if I click on my public profile, so as you see 20 followers right now. So how much video I published already? So if you see my story, here is my story, and if I go inside option, here is my view count. So 2000 23,000, it's kind of likely to 24k 24,000 views I have got. So it's kind of interesting. 27 hours watch time. And if I go spotlight, here is my video. I just copy this video and published here. So how you can got this type of video, where you got, because of a lot of trouble, you can see that it's kind of visible status. So if I click that on, so it's visible status, it's my public profile. It's not approved because of it's something copyright thing. So where you can find this type of video, you just this type of video download anywhere, every place, and keep some edit and doing some edit and published on Snapchat. So it's easy to do. If I showing you how you can do that, so go, so few minutes wait. So okay, right now I'm in right now Telegram best funny videos group channel. So if I scroll that, here is the best funny video. You just doing it. I would download that. Okay, I'm downloaded already. So go your CapCut or any other apps. You just keeping edit, and according to Snapchat rules. So I won't edit that. So see what happened if I directly post on Snapchat. So if I go my spotlight, here is a published upload a video, and here is my video. So I'm just click on tick and preview, and here is the next option. And if you want to write something, you can do that. So I'm just write hashtag here, so funny, and tick box, spotlight, and click right below tick option. So it's sending right now. So it's completed sending. So click on there and go your public profile. So here is my video is will be my video is being published. So please few minutes, because it's for sometimes doing review your video if your video is copyright or not according to Snapchat rules. So they are to hide your video, they are to copyright strike your video. So keeping attention, as you see, visibility standard is my copyright kind of videos. It's a kind of not good at all. So you can just keeping edit and post on Snapchat. It's easy to get a lot of view. Like my first video hit 2.2k views, and here is 3.3k view, 5.7k view, 4.8k, 2.7k, a lot of view I have got. So it's just copy paste video, so you can just getting a lot of view, and thereafter Synapses would be a greatest platform would be like YouTube, and yeah, it would be monetization system. Right now it's doing payment many people, so it's kind of that's it.